Ça termine à vie. Ouais, mon pote. Ouais, Khouya. Allez,
What? Come on. Hey, oh. Bounce to that train no more. Niggas about to blow. Bouncing straight out the door. Here we go. Bloodline, scratch all day, match all weight. Only dogs eating is us, we snatch all plates. Get 'em, boy, click, pop the leash. Hit 'em, boy, niggas brag about wagging, we stop and tail. X drop an album, niggas dropping sales. Niggas can't fuck with the dog, forget about it. Money went up against the dog, read about it. Man, listen, you can't spread or walk easy. I'm on some positive shit, but I still walk breezy. Ain't nothing changed, still ain't sweet. Stand on one block, but I own the whole street. And on the whole street is dirty niggas with funny moves. Leaving your house with bloody boots, we cruddy dudes. Rest of them ass kisses, sensitive ass niggas. Fourth album, and I still getting that ass nigga. Hey, oh. Bounce to that train no more. Niggas about to blow. Bouncing straight out the door. Here we go. Hey, oh. Bounce to that train no more. Niggas about to blow. Bouncing straight out the door. Here we go. It's dark and hell is hot. Flesh of my flesh, blood of my blood. And then there was X. Got niggas like what's next, and then hit 'em again. You cats ain't never gon' win. I was here before most of y'all careers were born. I'll be here when y'all careers are gone. Still strong. Difference between right and wrong is me. Niggas talk shit, but you can't MC. We already know how much your watch is worth. Talk about helping the hurt, saving the church. Won't you brag about helping out where you come from? Or giving brothers a job that really want one. Gotta think about that shit you said, you don't mean it. I don't listen to that shit you said, but I done seen it. Most of you cats is type funny, but when it comes time to feed the hungry, gon' get type ugly. Hey, oh. Bounce to that train no more. Niggas about to blow. Bouncing straight out the door. Here we go. Hey, oh. Bounce to that train no more. Niggas about to blow. Bouncing straight out the door. Here we go. Man, I'm already knowing. Like y'all niggas is knowing you can't fuck with dog. Bustin' cap, scrap, or flowing. Seeing is believing, and well, let's just see. I ain't even gon' speak. 1 million the first week. Aight, let's ask the streets. How many sold? What? 3 niggas, 3 months to go. Come on, they say keep it real, home. We're fucking with the dog. You already know. This ain't nothing new. Fuck is you mad at? 15 million. Nah. Rest assured, I'm best abroad. You can test Billboard, just the rest of frauds. I got 18 years under my belt, rapping. Let me see, you was 3, I was making it happen. Next time we bump heads, don't be hard-headed. Show some motherfucking respect, bitch, or you long-headed. Hey, oh. Bounce to that train no more. Niggas about to blow. Bouncing straight out the door. Here we go. Hey, oh. Bounce to that train no more. Niggas about to blow. Bouncing straight out the door. Here we go. Hey, oh. Hey, oh. Bounce to that train no more. Niggas about to blow. Bouncing straight out the door. Here we go. Hey, oh. Bounce to that train.